Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm actually going to be talking about the Beneks Fashion Fair cream, what it did to my skin and what you should know about it. So if this is the type of content you want to watch, especially if you're interested on ways on how to improve your skin, you want to know more about skincare products that you should use, especially if you're on a skin lightening journey, definitely hit the like button below and subscribe down below. Fashion Fair contains steroids, and when you're using this product, especially the products that contain steroids, I don't think they should be used on the face. So Beneks Fashion Fair is not a product you need to use on your face. Yeah, someone says, I've seen a lot of videos and reviews when they say apply it to get rid of hyperpigmentations and all those things. So when I tried Beneks Fashion Fair for hyperpigmentation, it almost ruined my skin, especially my face. So I'm not going to advise anybody to use Beneks Fashion Fair on their face, especially if you have super sensitive skin. Beneks Fashion Fair should be used only probably on areas that are not exposed to sunlight, because if your skin is exposed to sunlight, Beneks Fashion Fair will just ruin and damage your skin. Believe me, it will ruin and damage your skin. So it's a good product because at some point it has its cons. The cons is that it gets to remove your knuckles, especially for those that have knuckles. I don't really have dark knuckles. I don't. As you can see, you won't say I have dark knuckles. For those people that have dark knuckles, or you're trying to get rid of issues on you're trying to get rid of some certain areas in your skin. Trying to get rid of some dark knuckles and maybe dark feet, or I don't know what to call it, knuckles on your feet. Yes, Beneks Fashion Fair lightens quickly. It's like within 2 to 3 days you're going to see that sharp effect. Your skin is going to you're going to differentiate between what your skin was before and what it is at that moment. You're going to see that clear. I don't know how to, I think I will insert a picture of before and after. That is how fast Beneks Fashion Fair works. But the disadvantage, the cons, is that it is going to damage your face if you apply it on your face. So I would definitely suggest to people, my viewers, so that if you're looking for something to get off hyperpigmentations, because if you're on a skin lightening journey and you're looking out for ways to improve your skin, to get to know things that would help you get off dark circles and everybody is going through something underneath the clothes. Everybody is going through something underneath their clothes. Believe me, we are just not perfect, but we keep trying to be perfect. But I mean, perfection seems to be a disease of the nation, right? So that aside, that is for my self-development video. Okay, so what I'm talking about today is the Beneks Fashion Fair. And trust me, I will not advise anybody to use Beneks Fashion Fair on their face if you have super sensitive skin. How it looks like, this is the Beneks Fashion Fair cream. I know you guys must have seen a lot of reviews on it. I'm not saying it doesn't work, but I'm just saying it's not good to be applied on your face because it contains corticosteroids, and steroids are not good for your face. In general, some people get to add this to their creams, but most people have sensitive skin, and over long term of use, you may really not like the things your skin is going to come out with. You're going to have dark spots, bumps. You're going to have some certain things that you will not like, especially if you have sensitive skin. So I will definitely suggest that if you're on Beneks Fashion Fair gel cream, definitely stop it if you have a sensitive skin, because you wouldn't want a long-term damage on your skin. So this product is actually white, it's pure white, and I'm sure my camera can actually, for some reason, and I'm sure my camera can focus on that. It is white, as you can see. Beneks Fashion Fair is white and it's a bit oily. So yeah, this product lightens quick, but I don't know how to make you guys understand. The way it lightens fast is the way it damages fast. I think that is better put. It lightens your skin faster, it damages it faster. You're going to start seeing moles and stuff you don't know on your skin. I don't know how to make you guys understand. But listen, sweetheart, if you're on Beneks Fashion Fair and it's been working for you, these products are usually, they're best used for a short term. They're not supposed to be used long term. People just keep using long products that are supposed to, even if you go to see a dermatologist, they'll tell you if you get your results now fast, I think after 3 months or thereabout, discontinue. But we just close our ears and we keep using this product. Beneks Fashion Fair may lighten your skin, yes, because it's a quick, it says fast action. It says fast action. So Beneks Fashion Fair lightens ASAP, as soon as possible. But the same way it lightens as soon as possible is the same way it damages your skin. So definitely go avoid corticosteroids, avoid products that have steroids. It contains clobetasol propionate, and it's good for effective eczema, and other things. So if you're on this product, you use it for a particular time, you get your results, you stop. And don't apply this on your face if you have a very sensitive skin. I am repeating this because I know the damages it causes. I know how bad and I know how terrible the results are. I know because I have gone through that phase and I know how it works. Everybody comes and says, use Beneks Fashion Fair. Use it, it's for hyperpigmentation, use it. But there are ways you can use this product and you will not get any problem. And there are also ways you can use it if you don't know about it and then you get to damage your skin. So this is all I have for this video, and I hope I was able to pass this information on steroids and products that contain steroids and how long you should use them. You should make sure you do your research and get to know. Make sure you do your research about products before using them. Make sure you know how long you're supposed to use a particular product and when you should stop. You don't have to keep using that product for so long, because the long-time damages may be worse than you've ever imagined or thought of. So sweetheart, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about products that are good for your skin, products you should use, and products you should not use. And like this video, comment, and definitely like this video, because if you like this video, people that need to know about Beneks Fashion Fair, what it does, what it contains, how they should use it, because it's not a product you should use long term, will definitely get to see this video fast and now, and work and act on this video, based on the information I passed across through this video. So definitely keep on watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.